welcome to Mortgage Minute Monday. Today we would like to discuss renovation loans because we have some really exciting ones coming up that you want to highlight today.
I do. So my renovation team is planning a trip from Colorado down here to do a class on all the wonderful programs that we have available for the renovation, which includes a $100 down HUD repo program. So a borrower could come in and put $100 down and redo their house to make it everything that they want. Maybe it has 2 bedrooms and they need a third. So let's make it the perfect house for you. And I can show you how to do that. So we're going to talk all kinds about different things that we can do with FHA, conventional, and VA on renovation loans. So I'm really super excited about that.
And is this, Lisa, is this only on when you're purchasing a home or if you already have an existing home?
Purchase and refi.
Okay.
So if you're living in a home and you would like to redo it, maybe you're thinking about buying a new house, but you'd really like the area that you're in and you want to keep your kids in the same school district. Let's come up with a plan to do a renovation on your current home and make it everything that you want.
Awesome. I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.
Have a great week. Take care.